Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to do an empty house tour. So before I take you inside the house, I just wanted to show you guys on Zillow what our house looks like and kind of the pictures that they show online. And this is what they look like. Basically had a photographer come in with our realtor and take some pictures of our home, still with some of our furniture in it. So this kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what our home looked like with some of our furniture. We did take some of it out for the photos, but I just thought it would be fun to kind of include these pictures so that you guys can see, like when you guys look online, if you're looking at homes, that you can see kind of what it looks like when a professional photographer comes in and they stage the home and kind of Photoshop the pictures a little bit to make them look nice. And then I'm going to show you, going inside what the house looks like totally empty. On our house right here, so this is where we've lived. Hopefully I don't get run over by a car. This is where we've lived for the past almost over 2 years now, and we just sold it. And I'm going to be doing an empty house tour and showing you guys the inside of the house and what it looks like with no furniture in it. So when you first walk in, the door's all dirty because of movers. First walk in, this is what it looks like, all empty. This is the studio. This was our office. That's all empty. Here was our dining room. That is now empty. I'm gonna miss our backyard. It was a really beautiful and tranquil, peaceful place. But we're gonna find something even better now. This is the empty living room area. I'll take you down here. This was Snow's baby cave, now empty. It's so crazy seeing everything empty. Our fireplace, our mudroom, all that's empty. Our laundry room is all empty now. We have to clean up the toilet paper. Downstairs guest room is empty. Then we'll head upstairs. The kitchen, we're still throwing stuff away, but that's all empty. The fridge is gone. As you can see. And we'll head up the stairs. This guest room is totally empty now. Snow's room is empty. That's the room I'll miss the most in this house. Her nursery. And our master bedroom. Empty. Take a shot every time I say empty. And our bathroom. And then our closet is also completely empty. So I have a little Snow attached to me right now, but goodbye house, we loved you. And that is basically our empty house. The only thing I missed was our garage, and that's empty and not exciting. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little mini house tour, or empty house tour, I should say. Thanks for watching. Sending you guys all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Mwah!